Hello friends, welcome to my third tutorial related to test automation frameworks, and this is something related to Selenium WebDriver with Jasmine. So I have already covered the Selenium WebDriver in my previous videos, so please visit the videos and you can find more details there. So let's get started. This is Vinith. Welcome to my YouTube channel Techies Hub. So what is Jasmine? So as I have already told about Cucumber, which is a behavior driven development framework. So just like that, Jasmine is also a behavior-driven development testing framework, but this is for JavaScripts. That means .js files. So actually, it does not rely on browsers, DOM, the document object model, or any JavaScript framework. So hence, it is suited for websites, not .js projects, or anywhere that JavaScript can run. So that's pretty much about Jasmine. And so how we can install this Jasmine? So actually it's based on this node packages. So if you have a node installed and if you have npm, that means node package manager, you can install the Jasmine using npm install Jasmine. So for this Selenium WebDriver with Jasmine, actually the setup is quick and easy, and it has three different parts. The first part is the page object, the place where you find your elements by CSS or XPath. Then second is the specs for writing the actual script, and third is the configuration file. So this is the page object. So this is how you find all the element, like where is the Amazon email ID, password, and all those. So these are the CSS, and somewhere you can find your element with XPath or all those things. So based on uh, how you have the element in the DOM model or in the web page, you can find it using XPath or CSS. And so that's all about the page object. Then you have the specs. So here only we are actually writing our script. So it has something called a describe and it format. So describe is actually the starting point of the test case, and it will have some its. So that means it is a sequential order. So there will be a describe, then it will have an it, and after that it will have another it. So actually it says that that is a sequential flow of that test case. So that's what we will be having in the specs. And then moving on to the last slide, this is all about the uh, actually this is all about the advantages and disadvantages. So actually there are no other tools involved in the test. It is just Selenium WebDriver with Jasmine. So you can just start writing the test cases. There is no other tool that we need. And in Jasmine we need to use the describe function that helps for grouping our tests together. Then Jasmine comes with number of matches that will help you make a variety of assertions. So there is something called karma. So to use Jasmine with karma, some people use the karma Jasmine test runner, and also Jasmine supports Angular support also. So those are some of the advantages. And moving on to the disadvantages, there is actually less documentation for Jasmine. So if you come across some issues, then it will be difficult to uh, solve it if there is no documentation available. And then so many people find it difficult to actually work with some of the annotations that we have, for example this before and before each, and where we are using and all those things. So those are some of the disadvantages that we have Jasmine, because we don't have that much enough documentation related to Jasmine. So actually that is pretty much about Jasmine. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.